Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to find a face shape filter on Snapchat, the latest viral filter that's taking over social media in 2024. Let's dive right in. First, open up Snapchat on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're on the Snapchat home screen, you'll see the camera view. To find the face shape filter, you need to go to the filter search. Now you're on the Explore page. Here, you can search for specific filters. To find the face shape filter, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in face shape or face shape filter and hit search. You should see a list of filters related to your search. Once you've found the filter, tap on it to add it to your camera view. You'll now see the filter applied to your face in real time. You can adjust the filter settings if there are any options to customize it. And that's it. You've successfully found and applied the face shape filter on Snapchat. If you want to save or share your snap, just hit the capture button and follow the prompts. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks.